Westhaven.
Hello, I'm Miss Brooke and I'll be teaching the Montessori kindergarten program.
Bonjour, I'm Madame Emily and I'll be teaching the French immersion kindergarten.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Reynolds and I teach kindergarten in English.
We're so excited to have you here.
So come on in.
Entree!
Hi there, I'm Miss Booze. Welcome to Westhaven School. We're so excited to see you in September. I'm the principal at the school and we look forward to having you.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Markoff and I'm the assistant principal at the school and I'm really looking forward to seeing you in September. Welcome to Westhaven.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Conger. I am the school secretary here at Westhaven. I am here to give you ice and band-aids if you need them throughout the day.
Hello, my name is Miss Brooke and I will be teaching the Montessori kindergarten program. I am so looking forward to meeting all of you, learning new things together, making great memories together, and most importantly, having tons of fun. Parents, if you would like some more information on the Montessori program, we've provided a link that gives you a tour of a Montessori classroom and provides some information about what the Montessori program is all about. I'm looking forward to meeting everyone and see you soon.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Reynolds. I teach kindergarten here in English at École Westhaven School. My job is to make learning fun for you. And I really like happy faces because they make me smile, and I hope they make you smile too. I can't wait to meet you. Bye!
Bonjour mes amis! Hello my friends! Je m'appelle Madame Emily and I'm the French immersion kindergarten teacher. I'm looking so forward to meeting you all. I know we'll have a great adventure in kindergarten where we'll learn lots of things, make great new friends, and most important, we'll have so much fun. À bientôt!